Okay everyone, welcome. بچه ها خوش اومدید به لایو امشب. We are going to talk about doing chores. کارهای خونه. Chores. کارهای خونه. هممون بدمون میاد از کارهای خونه. We hate doing chores. We hate doing chores. Yes? We hate doing chores. Hate یعنی متنفریم. Doing chores بعد hate فعل ing. Chores کارهای خونه. We hate doing chores. Let's talk about chores. اصلا کارهای خونه چی هستن؟ تی کشیدن. Mopping the floor. Mopping the floor. Mopping the floor. Washing the floor. Sweeping جارو زدن. Sweeping the floor. Sweeping the floor. Vacuuming جارو برقی زدن. Vacuuming. Doing laundry. کارهای خشکشویی. Doing laundry. Washing clothes. Making bed. تخت آنکارد کردن. Making bed. Do you make your bed? تختتو مرتب میکنی. Do you make your bed when you wake up in the morning? وقتی صبح بیدار میشی, you make your bed or not? Do you make your bed? Yes, of course. I make my bed. I make my bed. Do you clear the table? میزو مرتب میکنی. Clear the table. Do you clear the table? Clear the table یعنی مرتب کردن. Set the table یعنی چیدن بچه ها. Set the table. Set the table. Clear the table. Well, we do chores. ما کارهای خونه رو انجام میدیم. But some people do not do chores. انجام نمیدن. They hire a housekeeper. Housekeeper بچه ها یعنی در واقع یه نظافتچی یا مثلا یه کسی که کار میکنه. Maid or a housekeeper. Housekeeper. Well, you employ someone, استخدام میکنی, or you hire someone to come and clean, wash the dishes. ظرفا رو میشینه. Or sweep, جارو میزنه. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. تی میکشه. Mop the floor. Or cook, آشپزی میکنه. Cook. Of course, doing chores boring. کسل کننده است. It is boring. But some people are interested. بعضی علاقمندن. Some people are interested in doing chores. Some people are interested. Some people are interested in doing chores. خب میدونیم بچه ها بعد interested همیشه حرف اضافی میاد و بعدش فعل ing میاد. Some people are interested in doing chores. Are you interested, علاقمندی? Are you interested in doing chores? Would you like to do chores? Are you really interested in doing chores? I'm not interested. I'm interested. Some people are messy. بعضی‌ها شلختن. They are messy. They mess up. They mess it up. Don't mess it up. ریخت پاش نکن. Don't mess it up. Mommy will kill you. مامی میکشتت. Don't mess it up. Some husbands are henpecked. زنزلیلن. They are henpecked. They are henpecked and they're afraid. میترسن. They're afraid of their wives از همسرانشون and they can't mess it up. اکتفاش نمیتونن بکنن. They can't mess it up. They help their wives. اونا به همسرشون کمک میکنن. They help their wives. Wife همسر. Wives همسران. They help their wives in doing chores. All right. You're gonna help your parents. Dear kids, کوچولوهای عزیز, you should help your parents do the chores. Don't mess it up because mommy is working hard. Mommy سخت کوشه. It's too hard to do the chores. It's too hard. خیلی سخته to clean the house. پس بچه لایو امشب در مورد doing chores کارهای خونه انجام دادن. Doing chores. Is it boring? کسل کننده است. Is it exciting? مهیجه. Of course it is not exciting. But of course if you want to burn calories میخوای کالری بسوزونی, doing chores can be good solution. میتونه solution خوبی باشه. راه حل خوبی میتونه باشه. Can be a good solution. راه حل. Doing chores. Some people love doing chores. Some people hate doing chores. Some people hate, some people love. Some people hate, some people love doing chores. به به. چقدر عالی بچه این کلمات. They're really good to learn. همه این کلمات رو قشنگ استفاده کنید. هم در پک یام یام موجوده و هم در کانال ها. به مناسبت فرارسیدن عمو یام یام ما یه تخفیف ویژه فوق‌العاده گذاشتیم برای تمامی کانال ها و پک یام یام. 20% از فردا بچه ها تخفیف میخوره. 20% special offer because of my birthday is coming soon. My birthday is coming soon. I mean, it'll be 16th of Khordad, 6th of June, 6 جوان. And 5 days later will be my birthday. And because of my birthday, or due to my birthday, به خاطر تولدم, due to my birthday, we have special offer. Good bargain. مفته. Good bargain. یعنی الان بهترین فرصت. This is the best chance, the best opportunity for all the students to join Telegram channels or buy Yum Yum Pack. But if I were you, اگه من به جای شما بودم, if I were you, I would buy all of them and I would chew all the books. می جویدم کتابا رو, چون دیگه نیازی به دیکشنری نداری, چه برسه به استاد. You don't need even a dictionary, let alone یعنی چه برسه. Let alone a teacher. Let alone. میبینیم بچه ها, ما هم اصطلاح یاد میدیم, هم گرامر و هم موضوعی میریم جلو. We just talk about chores, کارهای خونه. Doing chores. Don't miss this chance. از دست این فرصت رو. Don't miss this chance. This is a great opportunity for all the students. برای همه بچه ها, for all the students to speak English perfectly. No need to go to the class. نیازی به کلاس نیست. No need to go to the class. Stay home, work hard, practice English. حتما یه عکس بگیریم بچه ها. Take a picture. و عدد 2 رو حتما بفرستید. Send number 2 direct. You can direct number 2 and my consultants, مشاوران, all consultants will answer your directs very quickly. Very quickly. به چه کلماتی, چه اصطلاحاتی بچه ها. It's a good bargain. It's a good bargain. یعنی مفت الان. بهترین فرصته. The best opportunity because of Amu Yum Yum's birthday. It'll be 5 days later. Alright, but from tomorrow, از فردا, یه تخفیف فوق‌العاده برای کانال ها و پک 12 جلدی که خودم نوشتم. I have written all these books with CDs. You can listen to the podcast with perfect American accent. You can improve your accent pronunciation. You'll rock it. میتره کنیم بچه ها. پر انرژی باشید, پر انرژی بمونید. Stay motivated, stay energetic, work hard, speak English powerfully. با قدرت حرف بزنید. Speak English powerfully. This is the best opportunity. Please take a picture. یه عکس بگیرید. Take a picture.